Welcome back. Today we are basically tuning the Golf, getting it all ready for its MOT, because obviously in the UK we have MOTs to make sure they're roadworthy and stuff like that every year. So it's been off the road for 2 years I think now, so we need to MOT it to get it on the road. So just getting it put together and make sure all the lights work, make sure everything works, ready for its MOT. Give it a little bit of a bass tune just to make sure everything runs healthy and well. And then we will be tuning it at the MOT station as well, because I'm friends with them, so they'll let me use the MOT gas analyzer and just be able to get everything tuned in and make sure the mixture, the air to fuel ratio mixture is key. So yeah, that should be our next video. So yeah, stay tuned, enjoy this quick tune. So this is what we used. We used a timing light, 30mm spanner, 8mm spanner, well, it's actually old boy, so it's a 5/16, and then a flat blade screwdriver. That's all we use to tune it. So it is as simple as that. It's just take your time, only work in small increments, don't turn things all the way, and go from there.
Time for a cup of tea at Great Northern Classics. What a treat. Just before we start proper work, eh?
Grease-stained hands in the fading light, wrenching my fists, another endless night. Chrome and steel, they never talk back, but they shine when I patch the cracks. Fix the broken, heal the scar. In the quiet, I find who we are. Under the hood, I'm not alone. Rust and solace, this garage my home.
So yeah, we've got a little grub screw down here for the fuel mixture. We also have a 30mm down there that you can undo, and then you can rotate your distributor, because you need to get the distributor pointing the right way, so when you're top dead center on one, you're firing correct and the ratio's right. So it shouldn't take too long, so it just needs to make sure that everything's tuned and everything's firing where it needs to. So there is obviously a timing light down there that we need to get the mixture right, so turning clockwise moves it forward, well, to the back of the engine, turning anti-clockwise moves it to the front of the engine. So it should be quite straightforward. You'll see on the timing light, it's quite hard to video the timing light at the same time, but I will try and freeze frame it for you so you can see it. And also down here there is a tick over grub that actually shorts your idle out, so you can get it roughly where it needs to be for the tick over. But when you are tuning, always make sure you remove this pipe, because if you remove that pipe, it makes things a lot easier to do, because obviously that's your advance. When you accelerate, changes the timing slightly. You can also check your diaphragm on that by just putting a gauge on here and just pulling and seeing if it leaks or anything like that. This one's actually not too bad, so we should be okay with this. It's just getting everything buttoned together. Check the lights. We found out the number plate lights were a bit wrong on the last video, so I'm going to sort that today because the LED bulbs have turned up, and go from there. So yeah, watch this. So yeah, we'll turn the ignition, start the vehicle up, just see if she can idle. Obviously I've got to put chokes, so you've got to warm it up for a bit. A couple of minutes will be fine. So just warm it up, get it all nice and toasty. As soon as you get it all nice and toasty and warm, some people say get the fan kicking in so it's really warm. I think in this cold British weather at the minute, it's not going to be warm enough, it's not going to be cold, it's not going to be hot enough. So we'll get it warmed up, get it circulated, make sure the pipes are nice and warm, and then go from there. So as soon as we get it warmed up, time to tune. So we'll use the timing light, as you can see, and we will start to get the timing sorted, and then we will adjust the mixture. Obviously, yeah, it's just cut out, I'm sorry, but when it cuts out, just restart her back up and wind her out a little bit, and just get everything nice and plumbed in where it needs to be, and then go from there. And just basically small adjustments, that's fine. Usually on the fuel mixture screw, it's usually a quarter of a turn to go in and out, and if you go too far in, it cuts out, as you've just already seen. Just back it off a little bit, start it back up if it cuts out. If it's dying, tune it up a little bit. Quarter of a turn out, it's usually 1.5 to 2 turns. I think for base settings, usually, roughly, somewhere around about there. And then you can just tweak it as that. And then go for a test drive, see how she drives, see if she drives like a brand new car or anything like that. And go from there and just do slight adjustments, slight fettling adjustments, I think you call it. And when you're happy with everything, the way it functions, then off to the MOT we go. Thanks for watching. It's been a long time coming, this house, obviously illnesses and stuff in the time of doing this sequence and ordering parts and doing other jobs as well. It's been a challenging exercise. It should have just been an engine change and a gearbox change and then back in, but obviously we had pedals and everything needed to be changed, and then there was other issues on the car, electrical issues on the car that needed rectifying before we could go forward from there. We need to check the fan, so we need to run it up and get it hot. So I'll probably do that in the MOT time, because we'll sit on the ramp with it ticking over and go from there and see how things are actually progressing. We want the fan to kick in. The fan might have a problem on it, so we will run it up and get the fan kicking in. Hopefully that will be the MOT time, so that should be next Monday. So yeah, this is amazing. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to get this project done, because I can start playing with the Dutton and getting the Dutton on the road. Bit of a different car to this car. I can modify everything if I want to, and I want to get it ready for shows. I want to get it ready for shows this year. So I have got a family show we're going to that is Elveston Steam Rally. They have moved over the road now, but I would love to be able to drive the Dutton into Elveston Steam Rally and show it off. So we'll see how that goes. This golf's starting to grow on me really, but it's Tim's, so let's get it sorted. Let's get it back to him. We need to put the trim on the front before we go as well, to give you the little aero that it's got. But yeah, book it in for MOT. I know Tim's got some other things he'd love to do on this. When he gets it back, he wants to put a new hood on it, well, a new soft top on it. He wants to put some other bits in it, but that's his bag to do. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Grease-stained hands in the fading light, wrenching my fists, another endless night. Chrome and steel, they never talk back, but they shine when I patch the cracks.